Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make an image bigger inside a cell in Google Sheets. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to insert any image right into a cell, and most importantly, you'll understand the trick for getting that image to display as large and clear as possible, all neatly contained in the cell itself. This is super handy for making visual spreadsheets, product lists, or really anywhere you want a clean, organized look with pictures. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to upload your image into a cell. If you've never done this before, don't worry, it's a pretty painless process. Make sure you have your Google Sheet open and the image you want to use saved somewhere you can easily find it on your computer. Then click on the cell where you want your image to appear. A common place is the A1 cell, but you can pick any cell you like. Next, take your mouse up to the menu bar at the very top and click on Insert. This menu is where Google Sheets hides all kinds of powerful tools, and in this case, it's how we'll bring the image into your spreadsheet. Once you click Insert, a drop-down appears. Here, find and select Image. You'll notice there are two options, Image in Cell and Image over Cells. Make sure to pick Insert Image in Cell. This part's important. Choosing over cells would just float the image on top, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we want it anchored right inside the cell so it stays put, even if you move columns around. Now you'll see a window pop up inviting you to upload your image. Click Upload, then hit Browse. This step opens a file picker just like when you attach something to an email. Find the image you want, click it, and then select Open. Give it a second to upload. You'll see it appear nice and snug inside your chosen cell. Here, where a lot of people get stuck, by default, Google Sheets fits the image to the size of the cell, so it might look tiny or squished if your cell isn't big enough. The key is to make your cell larger so the image can really shine. To do that, go to the row and column boundaries around your image cell. You'll notice if you hover between, say, columns A and B, your cursor turns into a double-sided arrow. Click and drag outwards to expand the column width. You can do the same for the row by dragging between the row numbers. Think of it like stretching out a photo frame. Give your picture plenty of space, and watch as the image scales up to fill the cell. Don't be afraid to adjust both the height and width until your image looks just right. Sometimes this takes a little fiddling, and that's totally normal. If your picture doesn't look quite centered or seems oddly cropped, just tweak the column or row a bit more. And remember, resizing the cell doesn't change the image's quality, it only affects how much room it has to display. And that's it, now you've got a crisp, clear image sitting perfectly inside your Google Sheet cell, no floating pictures, just a tidy, professional look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you ran into any trouble or have questions about working with images in Sheets. I always love hearing from you. For more quick and practical tutorials like this, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.